Frozen mixed vegetables are a staple in my kitchen. I buy them and throw them in soups, in sautés, in stir fries. They're great. But sometimes I kind of want a fresher taste to my mixed vegetable sauté. And also, I need to clean out my refrigerator. So today we're gonna make an easy mixed vegetable sauté out of fresh ingredients. It's gonna be crisp. It's gonna be absolutely fantastic. So join me as we do a mixed vegetable sauté. Okay, I have a really big skillet here over medium heat. We're going to put some olive oil in here. And we're going to start out by sauteing some onions. I'm going to use about half of this. Now, your standard frozen mixed vegetables doesn't necessarily have onions in them, but I like them that way, so that's how we're going to do them today. So I'm going to start a little sauté going here and soften these onions just a little bit. One of the reasons I usually put the onions in by themselves is they tend not to cook when you have other things in there. So I usually give them a little bit of their own time in here so that, so they'll soften properly. So we'll be right back. So I have a couple cloves of garlic here, and I'm just going to use it in a press. One great thing, since this is a quick dish, one great thing about a garlic press is you just throw it in there, peel and all, and then the peel pops right out. Give us some nice fresh garlic flavor. Because this is like taking a classic, dish of frozen mixed vegetables and modernizing it and turning it into fresh. So I put 3 cloves of garlic in there. Whew, that smells so good. And we're just gonna saute it here to bloom that garlic up.
Mucho smells good.
Yeah. So I have some carrots here. They were baby carrots. I cut them into little pieces like this, just like little bite-sized pieces. We're going to go ahead and get those in there. We want our carrots in there first because they're the hardest vegetable and they take the longest to cook. So that's why we put them in there first. So we're going to go ahead and saute this until they soften. So we cook them for a couple minutes and they're softening. You still want them crisp tender though. So now I have some green beans and I just cut it into this size. We're gonna go ahead and add these in here. This is a classic ingredient for mixed vegetables. Here's your green beans. And we're going to go ahead and give those a saute. Okay, so we have some fresh corn that I cut off the cob. This is going to make it really fresh tasting because this corn is straight off the cob. Smells fantastic. So we are going to put frozen peas in here because I'm not about to, shell peas. And these taste really good. Just takes a second for these to heat up. I'm going to add in a couple tablespoons of butter because, that's how I am. Wow, it smells fantastic. You can really smell that garlic. You can put in as much or as little garlic that you like. Obviously, everybody has different tastes when it comes to garlic. We're going to season it up with some salt. It's going to need quite a bit of salt because, you know, these vegetables are just, can be a little bland. We got fresh cracked black pepper. I'm going to use some Mrs. Dash. You can use whatever seasoning blend you like, but I really like this. Lots of seasoning. Wow. And that's it, guys. We have mixed vegetables from Fresh. So let me get a bowl or a platter to put these on. And we'll serve them up in this bowl. We're going to be taking this to the table. We're going to be serving this with some chicken, pan-seared chicken. Smells really good. One great thing about this is it's fresh. Well, except for the peas, right? Wow. Looks really good. Really good. So I'm just going to take a little bit here as a sample. You know, the cook's got to sample it. Still crisp tender. Really good. Lots of garlic flavor. If you don't want so much garlic, don't put so much in, but it's fantastic to me. Because I love garlic. And then, with that little bit of butter at the end. Fantastic. Really great, quick side dish. Really, really good. So, cooks, this isn't your average everyday frozen mixed vegetables. This is from Fresh. And you can really taste that. Everything's crisp, tender. It's fantastic. Give it a try. You can use this just as a fridge clean out. So whatever you have in your fridge, throw it in there. It'll be great. It'll make a great side dish. If you like this video, please subscribe below. Leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cookin' with Amy. Ooh, yeah. Delicious.